guys, I'm back, and we have a lot going on. As you can tell by the thumbnail, I am doing my first mod on our new, to us, RPOD 192, and I'm going to show you everything that we got so far from shipped to us from Amazon and various places that's going into RPOD. So you might want to stick around because we got a lot more mods coming up. So let me show you, and then we'll go out and start our first mod. So this is the first round of mods. As you can tell, the biggest one is the one today. So we got a lot going on, so you might want to stick around. We're going to do various videos on them. So I will be right back after this message. Okay, as you can see, you know what's going in there. It's the same thing everybody does, first of all. And as you can tell, we have a Murphy bed. Sorry, I'm going up the steps. Here, let me back up a little bit. Not the biggest camper in the world. We have a Murphy bed. So one of the reasons I chose this, because then you got a couch during the day, and it literally takes like 5 minutes to put it down. So if you hang on a second, I will show you what it looks like down. Da-da, just like magic. So that's what it looks like down. And you got plenty of freaking room to walk. I'm going to put a little shelf right there, and then the doggy bowl can go in the corner. But see, I can crawl up the bed, because by the time you get to that little corner over here, gotta crawl anyway, so just crawl from the end. It's a lot easier. My wife can start over there in the corner and crawl up. But like I said, it's just a weekend thing. It ain't going to be, we're not living in this full time. It's just for exploring. So let's get busy. Get this new mattress in here. Now, I've done a lot of research, talked to a lot of people on Facebook groups, and we, believe it or not, we have the same brand in our master bedroom and a king we've had for going on over a year now. And but it's like a 10-inch. But I've done some research, and everybody said 6 inches is the best to be able to fold it up easier. So, and people that got one bigger wish they got a 6-inch. Like I said, it's just for the weekends. Whenever we go camping, I'm not sleeping on it every day, 365 days a year. So let's get this old piece of crap out of here like everybody does. And I'll show you in a minute what it looks like when we bring the box in. Alright, hang on a second. Okay, so I got the old one out. Got the new box in. Let me turn some lights on. Hang on, let's see if that helps. Yeah, a little bit better. I just don't want too much glare. So this one in the new box. I'll leave a link at the bottom in the description where I got this. It is it's upside down, I'm sorry, ZINUS. And you can get different, you can get king, queen, full, regular queen. You can get the short queen. We went with the regular queen because it's easier to put sheets on. That's what came in it. So that's what it looks like. So let's start unboxing this puppy. I'll be right back. Alright, so that's what it looks like out of the box. Big old ass burrito. And just for some plus for you guys, I took the balance and the shade off this window, so you might want to stay tuned to see what I'm doing over my windows. This one I haven't decided. This is the one over the kitchen, but I think it's supposed to be metal, but if I do, I'll replace that with black. Just give it some contrast. So as you can tell, we got a lot going on. Sorry for the dizziness. Got a lot of packages coming. I got a lot of work to do in the bathroom. My wife's trying to decide if she likes this backsplash or not. So we're finding that out now. She'll let me know if I need to put it up or not. So stay tuned for that. Let's get back to, not to make you dizzy, get back to the thing at hand here, the video that you guys been watching. Let's see how hard it is to open this thing. Alright. Let me set you up here. I'm not, let's see if we can. Alright, I think you guys can see that. Now it says don't use scissors or knife, but you know what? If you're an adult and you know what you're doing and you're not an idiot, you can use it. There's a little, see, you just run right on top of that. See what I did, it's double bagged, it looked like it. So, don't freak out when you see me opening the bag with a pair of scissors. If I screw up, it's on me, I gotta buy another one. Like I said, you just be careful. Don't be a moron. And you can see where the bag is. And this, I think it says, you know, cover the bottom. This. Plastic out of the freaking way here. I'll tell you what though, they take really big packaging really impressive. Now you gotta unfold this big ass burrito, and you gotta unfold it over the gray side. You can see that on the bottom. So you gotta wrestle around. A little bitty ass camp to get this thing undone correctly. Whew. I'm lost 220 pounds and still I kick my ass. Alright, okay. Come here, big boy. Get my knife. Scissors back. You just gotta be careful. Just don't get anywhere near the bag. It'll be fine. I mean, some of these you gotta be pretty damn fast. This one, I think it takes like, you tell you leave it out for like 24 hours. 24 hours for it to expand. We don't have any camping trips anytime soon. I do have a lot of mods that I can do. Now, one part, doing all this, getting the freaking plastic off of it, but luckily it's only clean. You can see us doing this in our master bedroom when it came. That was not fun. On myself, actually, because I wanted to surprise my wife. But it's not so bad. You can see one person can do that. The dirt on it. What's that? There you do, guys. That easy. And once it expands, it's at about, probably at about 4 inches right now.
Huh?
I'm on the camera.
Oh.
So that's what it looks like. See, that wasn't so bad. Cindy's coming in. She's trying to decide. Well, it's not ready. It's not poofed up yet.
Oh, okay, because it still feels like I'm laying on
Yeah,
wood.
it's only like 4 inches. But it's going to be a lot better than was there. So we just got to leave it for 2 days or 24 hours. But we're not going anywhere soon, so you can't look at that because we can't fold it up yet.
I understand. I'm
Okay.
just bringing it out here.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, we got a ton of stuff, so just keep an eye out. I'll make a playlist of all this too. And we will see you around the campfire. Don't forget to subscribe, put your thumbs up, help me out. Cindy likes her RPOD. We've made a complete circle. We're back to an RPOD again. In next video, I'll explain to you more why we did this. So, talk to you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.